What's up, everybody? J3 coming to you with a little bit of a different video, just showing you on the Adventure Mobile some of the light upgrades. I put a picture on Instagram and Facebook a few days ago. Headlights, you know me. They get the job done. They're good headlights, a lot better than the old ones. But today I put new LEDs. Got the aftermarket ones. Right here in the license plate, there's another sticker, ox beam. That is bright, dude. Almost need the ND filter on the camera for that. I'll put a link down below in the description of the LEDs that I got. Both these ones on the bull bar and the factory placed ones on inside the bumper. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next. Hit that thumb up. Peace.